What's up, YouTube? Griffin here, coming back to you all with a quick video. Very quick video, actually. Just didn't want to make it into a short because I found that YouTube shorts are kind of a joke. I'll still do them occasionally for those of you that like the shorts, but this is going to be kind of a quick video. Have you ever, and by the way, this is not the best production setup, of course, but have you ever had your B&G tip? If you've been in pest control at all, you've probably seen the four-way tip for the B&G. See how it's all cleared out right now? If you look at it perfectly, if I can get the perfect lighting kind of on it. Well, have you ever had that clogged up and you tried what the quote-unquote experts say about, always use something real soft and don't use any, metal objects. Obviously, don't blow into it like a dummy or anything like that, even though I'm sure we've all done it at least once or twice at some point. And by the way, sorry if there's any background noise. We got cicadas going crazy, air conditioner trying to catch up on this 100-degree day. But get you one of these little clothespins. I got like a whole set of like 100 of them, different sizes and stuff, on Amazon for like $3 or $4. And I actually got this idea, shout out to my grandfather if he ends up watching this or anything. Doubt he will, older guy. But he was the one that actually gave me this idea because I had two tips, both have gotten clogged, which, by the way, clean out your B&G, of course. If you use Alpine WSG like I do, oftentimes it'll get clogged up relatively easy is what I've found. Might not even use it that much in the B&Gs going forward, especially with the new one I just bought. But get you one of these clothespins, and you can see how thin this one is. This is one of the thinner ones. I think there's only one size that was thinner than this one, and it came in like a 4-pack of different sizes, and this is like the second thinnest one. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box, the kit that I got. But I shit you guys not, you got to be patient with it. Obviously, you don't want to just go in there beating the hell out of your tip or anything. Otherwise, you'll do what I did on my first tip, which was actually literally kind of waller it out to the point that, yeah, it works, but now it doesn't do the right pressure, which is why they say, don't use the metal. But I BS you guys not. Like I said, give it a try. It's only a couple bucks, and literally it only takes about maybe 5 to 30 seconds, and you'll have that nozzle cleaned out like new, like 5 to 30 seconds per hole, depending on, how much BS you got built up in there. But that was just a quick little tip for you guys. Like I said, shout out to my grandfather. Pays to be in the business for almost half a century, I guess. And yeah, that's a good little tip, and it'll definitely keep you from spending $20, $30 a tip, once every 1 to 3 years or whatever the case may be. But of course, if you're new to the channel, we do a lot more professional videos than this. This was just a quick one. Definitely subscribe. Check out the channel. We've got like well over 50 to 100 pest control videos and over 500 videos on how to run a business and how to invest and all that stuff. But specifically, of course, we are specifically focusing on how to start and grow a pest control business. If you're looking to start a pest control business, looking to, join someone who's, got a pest control startup or whatever the case may be, or just looking simply for a good business idea, pest control industry is definitely where you want to be, especially if you're here in the South like me in Dallas, Texas. Lots of money to be made. There's no shortage of it. You just got to be willing to go get it and go get the life that you and your family deserve. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, everybody.